This will be a video on a 2008 Peterbilt 389. It's gonna have a ISX 550 Cummins. I have 1,000,000 miles on her, but seems to go pretty good. I'm gonna have an 18 speed, which I was told has less than 10,000 miles on that. Transmission, Peterbilt flex air suspension. It's gonna have a wet kit set up for doing in dump, which it has a blockable fifth wheel if you can do that, but set up for in dump or hydraulic trailer, you know, belt trailer, Landau, Trail King, anything like that, circulating with the high low pressure. Let's see, hydraulic tank on this side, diesel on that side, sliding fifth wheel, tires look all good. Let's see, a little bit of clear coat peel on the top center right there. You can see a little bit, but nothing bad. Hood looks good. A little bit of that right there. A little tiny dent back there. Yeah, let's get in, check it out. Clean inside. Here's your controls for your in dump, up, down, high, low pressure. 1,001,247 hours will be 1213. Looks like the ECM was replaced probably about 1,213 hours ago. We have PTO on right there, airbag, slider, blockers for rear differential. Let's see, no warnings. Economy. Let's see. Yep. All right. Back up. Feels pretty good. Does its thing. Brakes work. Everything looks pretty decent. Look at her. All right, that's that 2008 Peterbilt 389.